Hey sugar, play back in your video. And today is my first video I'll be posting on YouTube and Musically. So I just made some pink slime today. And it's called I called it pink cloud slime. Cause as y'all can see, it's pink and cloudy, like bubbly and stuff like that. And stuff. Anyways, I just so I'm gonna be playing with it and showing y'all the texture and stuff like that. Like, it's very stretchy and stuff. See? And it's sticky, but it don't stick. It sticks to your hand when you're not playing with it for like a minute or so. So, it's gonna get sticky. Wow. I'm just gonna let y'all look at this. If y'all hear the music in the background, comment down below if that's your favorite song. And I'm gonna put my Musically in the description below. Cause I just made me a new Musically account. Cause I got hacked, so please hope I don't get hacked again. Hoping God won't let nobody hack me no more. So y'all, this slime is very stretchy and pokey and sticky. But once you get to knead it and playing with it, it won't be like sticky and all that. This gets sticky fast, bro. I just put it up and then I just started taking it up container and it's sticky. Like, I don't get it. My slime never been this sticky. Raise your hand. Comment down below if y'all like Cardi B music and if y'all listen to the song since it was in radio, and if y'all listen to and comment down below what's your favorite song. And go to my when I put my Musically in the description, guys, go to my Musically and ask me questions. Cause you a sheep on the water hoop and not so tell you how to see now let me you feel like I'm a trust me now come I got some lean no skirt watch your man put the things for right back pop it look for it your dork never touch for see guys, watch your man, you watch your mouth. Press your minutes to mouth to mouth. You see the sex? I am about. I am chill. Okay, we're gonna put that to the side and play with that big stack. Okay, now I'm gonna add this into this. Ready, set. It's the same slime anyways, guys, so don't be weird on your life. So, oh, she added the wrong slime. And I will be making some slime on this channel, so comment down below. You'll see. See, now it's not sticky no more. It was sticky because I just added that. The other sticky, I just added that sticky one. Guys, it's hot in here, so I had opened the window. Put it on the slow. I might put it on top of this top instead. I need some space. Guys, comment down below if you know how to get stains out of white pants. I do. You get some vinegar and then you put some hot water and you let it sit overnight. And then in the morning when it's dry, you put it in the washer, and then when you're done, you already know you put it in the dryer. And then your pants go, you let that dry and stuff, and your pants become dark white. So you don't gotta go to the washing machine. But if you don't got vinegar at home, y'all just gotta go wash your clothes. But if y'all gonna wash in the basement, y'all basement, or like if y'all got like a big house, like a washing room, I advise you to do that there, wash your clothes in there. Really, Mama? She just had to put on this Gucci Gang song. Gucci Gang. Gucci Gang. Gucci. You have to put on the song. Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang. Spread the rest on no chain. My brain go like cocaine. I know better than yeah. I know better than. For some reason, when I squeeze it and just squeeze it like that too, a whole bunch of bubbles just pop. See, look, when I stretch it and I go like this, just swirl it back. See. Come on, y'all. I'm gonna go close this window. It's cold. Yeah, I'm getting off this knot. Because somebody put a knot in here. And who puts a knot in a bun? That's stupid. Those kids over there looking stupid. Now, this might take me a while, so I need to go fast with this. But then I'm making more tangled. Okay, I'm back. Comment down below if y'all can hit the splits. Nothing on me. Guys, I might close up this video. So I found a new way to pop bubbles. So somebody pray for my cousin. She's going to a car accident. So yeah. She thinking, but she thinking, but she thinking. Chicken. You got know. You gotta know. No, no. Guys, I'm gonna make some slime on my next video after I edit this first one. Those people really jamming over there. So look, guys. I don't know if you can hear, but I just squeezed it. Mostly every kid is in love with slime, guys. Like seriously, mostly every kid is in love with slime. I know I'm for real in love with slime. Okay. So I added all the slime onto this yellow bait. Just took it off now because I ain't want it. And that stuff is scaring me. I hope you enjoyed my video. That's probably it and all for today that I'm gonna post. And I gotta edit this, then edit my next one that I'm gonna do. So first, hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe, comment down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. Like it and comment. Comment what you think. That's slime. But comment down below and comment down below on what you think of this name. And plus, I just named it Pink Cloud Slime because I had no other names. So comment down below, give me some names. If you got some good names, I'll probably take a few of those and add them all together. It's like one whole name and see how the name turn out. But if you don't give me no good names, I can't add them. And I can't make them into it, or I just stay with Pink Cloud Slime, or if y'all give me some good names, I change the name. So, yeah. Hope you guys like my video. Thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. Hope you guys enjoy this. Peace.